How to check Google Pay account number. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can check your Google Pay account number, and this is how to do about it. The first step is for you to launch the Google Pay application on your device, and then you must note that to check your Google Pay account number, you must have added your bank account already. And that means that in your location, adding bank account as a payment method is allowed. So once you've done that, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile photo. In the options displayed, select payment methods, and amongst the payment methods that you would see here, you see bank account. And so once you see bank account, select bank account from the menu, and then choose the bank account linked to your Google Pay account. All right, choose the bank account linked to your Google Pay account on the screen, and then once you choose it, you'll be taken to the page where you see details about this bank account, such as the balance, and then you see the account number listed under the account details. So you can just copy the bank account and then use it for wherever you want to use it for. So that is it. This is how you can check your Google Pay account number. Just find your way to your payment methods, select bank account, choose the bank account that you would like to check its account number, and then you'll be taken to the page where you see details about the account, which includes the account number. And that way you have achieved your aim. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.